Today I want to introduce you to Barbie Alicia. And she has so much shoes and so much accessories. So this is her blow dry to blow dry her hair.
And she has a necklace, comb brush. She has 2 comb brushes. That's cool. Guys, now let's get started. So guys,
she also has perfume.
Yeah.
And a mirror with a flower and that's really pretty. And a really pretty necklace. I wish I could have this necklace. It's pretty.
And her dress is so pretty because
mine too. So mine is a pink dress.
Mine in a yellow, pink, and black, white. Okay. Love colors. Now let's get started.
So first we are going to
do it like accessories.
Yeah. So I'm gonna brush her hair.
I'm gonna take out this tie.
I'm using this one. It's kind of smooth a little bit.
Oh, that's nice. So when we use the hair dryer, it's gonna make it a little messy. Then we have to comb it back.
Yeah, let's look at it in the mirror what we did. Oh, and guys, also she have a cute little earring. It's a flower just like her dress at both sides.
Mine have a little flower too, like little tiny rose.
Guys, as you can see, the color is pink.
Yeah. I have to use the next comb now.
Okay, there's the comb you're using because you said next comb.
Yeah.
Guys, this doll is just so pretty. This is the prettiest doll I could ever see.
Yeah.
This one, if I see a doll, I'm going to want to get these dolls.
Very so long hair.
Okay. And now she's you can put the comb on.
Guys, now I'm gonna put on these light purple shoes.
I'm gonna put on these blue. They look so beautiful.
There, got one on. Now she's gonna get the other one.
And I got my first. And now my second.
Guys, her hair is still crazy.
Okay.
It still looks beautiful. And now,
so guys, here is my shoes. Then here.
Yeah. Now I have to put some perfume.
Yep. That's the perfume.
And the last thing, her necklace.
Okay, we're gonna put it back there. And guys, they're getting ready for the tea party.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make sure all this is ready.
Yeah. Now they're gonna put on their shoes.
Yeah. So let's see
her hair. Just want to do a little tour at her beautiful long hair. Now let's get started.
I'm gonna go with this.
Let me try on this one.
I'll go with these. I'll go with this one because it's pink, just like her dress. And but it's just like her necklace. So let's go try them. Okay. Oh, so these shoes won't fit.
That came off.
Well, I guess.
These shoes are very pretty. Right, Tiana?
Yeah.
These yellow ones are very pretty too.
I never know you were wearing the yellow.
I don't take them off, but I don't want the yellow ones either.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try on the high heel shoes. I'm gonna do the white.
I'm gonna do the pink.
I chose white because it would look good with my dress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Set her leg down.
And guys, let's tell you, there's a beautiful bow here and then one down here.
Yeah.
So what color are you doing?
Pink. I'm doing white. They're very stretchy.
Yep, and they're just like ballet shoes.
Yeah.
I got one, and I just need the other. There. So guys, here are my shoes.
They're mine.
And now they're gonna go walk to the party. And guys, now that here, go have a dance party.
Yeah.
Dun, dun,